Have you ever noticed when someone yawns, you just can't help yawning too? This is called contagious yawning, and it's all about empathy and subconscious mimicry. Inside your brain, mirror neurons fire when you see someone else yawn, making you mirror the action without even realizing it. It's also a sign of social connection. You're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you care about. Some scientists think it helps synchronize emotional states, a silent way our bodies bond. And guess what? Humans aren't the only ones. Dogs, primates, and other social animals do it too. So next time you yawn after someone else, remember, it's your brain showing empathy. Follow for more everyday science and mind-blowing facts.